A challenge. Yes. All right. Let's do like a 24-hour one. Oh, that'd be pretty cool. Okay, let's do like a... Ooh, I got an idea. 24-hour box fort challenge. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? How are you doing this? This makes 0 sense. Huh. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, I gotta say. All right. Boom. I like it. Now, there's like these like random parts here that you gotta fill in. Huh? What? Yay! I got a new bed. I like it. All right, so we gotta build more walls. Bigger walls. Oh, my bad. Yes. Boom. Dope. Welcome to the day of daycare. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Moose back at it again. I'm super flat today, man. I've been working out, bro. I've been getting super in shape. Look at me, man. I look phenomenal, right? Look at me. I'm super flat. Yay. All right, so what's my boy Jeff the Moose up to? Wait, why is the daycare open? Why is it like, what the heck? It's like iron bars and stuff here. This is a low-key sketch. All right. Hello? Jeff? Where's Jeff at? Huh. That's weird. Shh. What? Huh? Who's that? Is that a spooky ghost? Wait. Come here, Moose. Yo, what are you doing, Jeff? Hold on. What's going on, buddy? Why are you hiding? What is this? We gotta hide. Hide from what? What are you hiding from? Why is there a sign here saying we gotta hide? Jeff, I don't get it. Oh. The creature is back. Jeff? Why is the second floor blocked off? Jeff? The creature is back. What creature are you talking about, Jeff? No, don't go in here, please. What is this? You know. What is this supposed to be? Ah! Your girlfriend. Oh, snap. What do you mean she's back? She's back from Alaska? How did she get back? Jeff, get in here. Hurry, get in here. Come on. Finally, I'm free. Oh, snap. Oh, no, Jeff. This is bad. It took so long to run back. Why is she here? Oh, my God, Jeff. You guys in a bad spot. Bro, what are you talking about? Why don't you let her out? Now to find my true love once more. Jeff, she's crazy. I didn't. Bro, how did she run back from Alaska? There's no flights, dude. There ain't no flights leading back, bro. How's that possible? Jeff. Oh, she's a moose. What about she's being a moose? She escaped, she could run. I see they know I was coming. Oh, God, this is not good. Hi, Moosina, can you hear me? Huh. Wonder where this gravel came from. What is this supposed to be? Oh. Ooh. They put the daycare in full lockdown. Oh, snap. Where are you? Jeff, I don't know. I'm just like doing things here, bro. What is it supposed to be? Huh. Good thing I know the password is 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, snap. Jeff, what were you thinking? Really? 1, 2, 3? Come on, man. You can't make the password more complicated? Ah, Jeff. I ain't good at math, but quick math, bro. What's over here? A pickaxe for what? Now to really lock this place up. I'm coming for you, Moose. Oh, my God, Jeff. I can smell you. Oh, that is wonderful. Wonderful, Jeff. You got us. There's a crazy person after us, Jeff. Are you kidding me? There's a crazy person after us. Wonderful. Okay. I told you shower. What do you mean? I always shower. Snoopy down here. Jeff, come here. Get over here. She can smell us now. Jeff, we're going to find a way out of this. Don't worry, buddy. We always find a way out. It's over here. Oh, snap. Are you in the vents? Oh, we're not in the vents at all. Don't worry about me. Don't listen to my voice either. Jeff, let's get out of here. Hurry up. Come on. Where are we going? Dead end. Lol. Wait, what? Oh my God, it's a dead end. Why is that a dead end? What is going on? Jeff, she's kind of scaring me, boy. Yeah! Oh, Jeff, this is not good. Bro, you gotta get out of here, man. No tools to get out. You're mine. Jeff, why? Why would we? Who made this? Jeff, you built this and it's not even fortified. And why do I have a pickaxe? Down I come. Jeff, we gotta go. Come on. I didn't build it. Come on, Jeff, hurry up. Let's go. Follow me. Are we good? Are we clear? Okay, come on. Oh. Jeff? Do you see her? I hold my axe for you. Here. Thanks, buddy. What are we doing? Where are we going? Where are we going, Jeff? Where are we going, buddy? Come on. Let me know. I don't know. Come on. Just run. Just run. Wow, I made that. That was pretty easy. I smell you. Jeff, come on. Follow me. I got a pickaxe. Oh, you just break that. Wow, well, that defeats the whole purpose. Okay. Awesome. So where exactly is she? I don't see her at all. Oh, I see. Oh, snap. Get down. Get down. Get down, Jeff. Where are you? Nowhere. Nowhere at all. I smelled you. You don't smell nothing. You're legally blind. You can't smell. Jeff. 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 Behind you, Jeff. Jeff, she's right there. Ah! Jeff! Jeff, run. Run. Go, run. Come on, buddy. We gotta go. We gotta get out of here. We gotta. No! We gotta get out. We gotta get away from this person, bro. She's crazy, man. She's crazy and she wants to kill us, bro. Come on. Let's go. Follow me, buddy. Come on, get back, come on. Break out of here. Oh, nope. Jeff, where are you, buddy? Where'd you go? Come on. Hurry up. Let's go. Right here, buddy. Ah, snap. Whoop. Yeah. Got it. All right, where are we gonna hide? Ah! Dude, she's shaking the daycare from her screaming, man. Where do we go? Where we gotta go? I don't know. Come on, Jeff. We gotta find some hiding places, man. Oh, my God. This is not good. I do not want to die today, bro. I do not plan on dying today at all. I'm too young to die, man. Too young to die, bro. Follow me. Let's go. We gotta climb high to the roof, man. She will never find us here. Yeah. She'll never find us. Ha, 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 ha. Why is she making some, like, really loud noises? And I'm scared. I smell your tracks. Jeff, I am terrified. I am deeply terrified. She legit wants to kill us. I hope you realize. We sent her to Alaska without telling her. And what do you expect her to do now, Jeff, huh? She's super mad at us. I'm super tired and exhausted from the heat. And I feel like I'm going to pass out. But listen, man, this ain't good, dude. I didn't plan this. Well, you were clearly planned for the whole daycare lockdown. So how did you know about that? Dude, she can smell us, Jeff. Tip. Who gave you the tip? Was it Brick Boss? Oh, my God. He told you the secret, didn't he? He told you. Jafina. Why would Jafina help you out? I'm getting closer. No, you're not. You'll never find us. You're a nub. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Jeff. She's on the roof. Jeff, come on. We gotta go. Ah! Jeff, come on. We gotta go. Ah! Ow. Come on, buddy. Where do we go? Jeff, we need a hiding spot. Hurry up. Come on. We gotta get a hiding spot. Where do we go? Hurry up. Come on, let's go. There you are. No, we're not here at all. Come on, let's go. Oh, snap. Hiding spot. Come on. Go. Hide. We good? I think we should be good here. Okay, perfect. Let me cover this up with Moose Book. There we go. She'll never sense the Moose Book. Yay. No! Jeff, where are we going now, buddy? Where are we going now? Huh? Bro, she's gonna find this basement? Where's the basement at? Do we have a basement? Over here, come here. Are you sure we have a basement? Huh. I don't think we do, bro. What about over here? Hello? Anybody in here? We make one. That's a pretty good idea. All right, buddy. Oh, wait, it's always to the daycare. Oh, no. Yo, let's hide in the bookshelves. She'll never go to knowledge, man. Come on. She ain't smart. Get. Jeff. Jeff, run. No. Jeff. Come on, hurry up. Run away from her. She's here, dude. She's right here. She is right here, Jeff. Hurry up and run. Come on, buddy. Ah! Oh, snap. Oh, God. Jeff just got eaten alive. Jeff, you okay? Come on, follow me. We need a new hiding spot. We need it. I escape. Come on, buddy. Hurry up. We need a new hiding spot, man. I am not trying to die today, bro. Hurry up. Come here. Over in these apartments. Hurry up, bro. We gotta get to the top floor, man. I like life. Same here, man. Oh, no. She is so mad at us, man. She's not gonna forgive us ever again for sending her to Alaska, dude. It was a bad idea, man. I must smell. She's making loud noises and I'm scared. Oh, nope. All right, come here. Ah! Are you kidding me? Sacrifice. Times like this, where we're being chased by a crazy girl that hasn't found us yet, you said sacrifice. Musina! Jeff, what are you doing? Hey! Sacrifice! Jeff, what are you doing, bro? Bro, are you kidding me right now? Oh, no. No. Gotta go. Come get her! I'm a dude, bro. This guy here, thinking he can sacrifice your boy Moose. Are you flipping cereal, dude? Do I gotta flip a cereal behind or like upside down or something? Come here, Jeff. Come here. Are you serious, man? You really were gonna sacrifice me to that crazy girl? You are absolutely nuts. One more time. No, stop. Chill, bro. Chill, relax, man. I won't be sacrificed again, dude. Ah! I just want to kill you. Okay, let's not do that. I know you don't want to kill me, first of all. We don't do that kind of stuff here. I know you want to, like, I don't know, just have me forever, I guess, because you and Skylar hate each other, and I'm really terrified about that. I'm out of here. Nope. I'm going to do the moose bug build. Oh, snap a button. My weakness. Hi, Jeff. Bye, Jeff. Oh, no. Where's she at? What's about to hide? Hit you. Oh, what the heck, man? I see you. What do you mean you see us? Oh. Hey, Musina. Tire! I'm a dude. Hey, Musina, you can't possibly jump from the roof. Down I fly. No, you can't possibly do that. And spread my wings. Oh my gosh, she's got wings. Nope. Where did she get wings from? Okay, I'm probably gonna die. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna need a hiding spot, bro. Jeff, are you kidding me, man? I hope you know as soon as it gets me, she's gonna try to get you too, bro. You nub. Gotta eat. Okay, I'm out of here, bro. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow with a better video. Subscribe, set the bell, and peace out. I'll see you tomorrow.